What's up, CBJ family? It's your boy CBJ, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. Excuse my camera, man. My camera lens, bro. And oh my God, it's like I see double of myself, and it's so annoying to me right now. But I apologize for that. What's up with it? It's your boy CBJ himself, and I'm back with another vlog. Yes, sir. We chilling on the strip. The rain kinda messed it up, or whatever the case may be, whatever you want to say. You know, got my man, my secondhand mans with me, C-Man in the Knut. Yeah, sir, we just chilling, man, just chilling, vibing. You know what I'm saying? It's a little sprinkling, but it ain't doing too much. I ain't gonna let too much stop me from coming out here and getting this money. You feel me? So yeah, we just chilling, man, right now in front of the smoke shop. They got whatever you need, come get it, come shop. You feel me? What's up with it? Huh? Yeah. Yes, sir. It's your boy CBJ once again. I'm sorry, I had a little technical difficulties. You know what I'm saying? You can see what's popping up in a bar. You feel me? Popping what's in a bar for a minute. They ain't got the game going on. All type of shit, you know? Chilling, you know? It's good vibes. You feel what I'm saying? Good vibes, yes sir. You know what I'm saying? What's up with it, y'all? Chill. This motherfucker lit, huh? Yeah, almost there. Yes, sir. It's your boy CBJ himself, and you know we chilling with the shit. You feel me? Yeah, we chilling. You know what I'm saying? Night on the town. You feel me? Night on the strip. However you want to put it, however you want to say it. You know, yeah, got to get this camera fixed for sure. I'm going to do that first thing in the morning, cause man, I feel like I look so bad. But I gotta get that camera fixed. Yes, sir. But yeah, man. You just chilling, man. Chill. Rain and everything. What's up with it? Right tonight? Oh yeah, for sure. Yup. Yeah. Oh yeah. He chilling, man. Come check out my boy, the establishment. So y'all need no big ass. Dang, there go the ladies right there. How y'all doing, Miss Beautiful ladies? Yes, sir. So I guess it's somebody out here. I mean, it's dead out here, but goddamn me, it's something to see, you feel me? I guess it's something to see, you know? Shoot. What they say, it ain't every day you get to walk in the rain downtown in your home city. You feel me? So much stuff be happening, you never know like what you can trust, who you can trust, you feel me? Like, and I need some more ideas of what type of stuff y'all want me to start doing. Like, I got a lot of content and stuff like that. Oh, but I almost bust my butt on my tail on that thing. But just give me a bunch of ideas, you know. Down below, my comments is gonna be on. You can DM me on my Instagram. Description will be down below. Facebook, Twitter, all that you can hit me up on. You know. Look at that light. Look at your boy. Don't mind the hair. Oh man, yeah, we just chilling, man. Chilling, man. Gotta be careful because there's so many cuts. I really can't be walking out here. I'm worse too much. You know what I'm saying? But you see, I am by myself. And even if my cousin went here, I still wouldn't be by myself. You know? For the older folks, I don't gotta say too much. I got so many kids and everything. It don't make no damn sense. You know? They say you got so many kids, yeah. Whole time, them kids just don't go get you. You know? Excuse my face. I feel like the rain is kind of picking up. You know what I'm saying? The rain is picking up. Ain't no kinda. So your boy gonna put his mask on. You feel me? Cause he ain't trying to get his face wet at all. You feel what I'm saying? Now we in front of the, wanna go ask them if they need some gas? No. You wanna play it off, you can go in the stove if you need to play it off.
Y'all need
No.
some gas? Y'all need some gas?
That thing, yes sir. That thing. Oh no, we ain't. Yeah, we ain't. Hell yeah. What's up with it? Say what's up to my YouTube, man.
What's up, YouTube, nigga?
What's the word? Yeah.
200 in the building, 190, OG, nigga, up in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
Southside, nigga, free out, fresh out.
You heard him, Southside bound. All that. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? I would have gave him something, but he got to doing too much, you know what I'm saying? I'm from the south side of St. Louis, but you don't got to be doing all that, you know what I'm saying? We rep our city. We don't want to make it seem like it's all violence, you feel me? It's more to St. Louis of killing this, you know what I'm saying? Get out here and be on your entrepreneur stuff, you feel me? Get out here and make your money, you know? Get up out here and make your money. That's all you gotta do. You know? We got Benz out here too. We got Teslas out here too. Caddies, whatever you want. You want a coupe? Come on. I can sell you a coupe. You know? Watch that corner, cuzzo. I said, watch that corner. Hit the alley real quick. Watch my back with the shits. You know. Got the police substation right here. Man, I'm doing a vlog in the rain, you hear me? Tell me that ain't love. Tell me that's not love. My Timberland boots are effed up at this point. I might as well start doing the moonwalk up in this thing. You know what I'm saying? I might as well go ahead and bust your moves out. Go ahead and bust your moves. Yeah. Ooh. We don't do it to him. He said, oh. He said, don't kill him with it. He said, don't kill him with it. I ain't gonna kill him. I'ma save him. Man, I'm trying to tell you. Got my red. Don't think nothing of it. It's my favorite color. Phone ringing. Phone ringing. Hello? You say what? What you talking about? My bad, cause I did. I ain't even. We on Washington shit. I'm trying to see your ass. You say what? Y'all wanted us to be with y'all all day. Type shit. I feel you. I'm saying, so can we link up now? And then I'm saying, and then we can link up.
Yeah, we can link up. We all smoke whatever. Cause I got work in the morning. We go home after we chill with y'all.
All right, cool. That's a bet. I was finna say, call me when y'all. So what you want me to meet you? You want me to meet you at the Union? Cuzzo just asked me, do I want to break this 20 to get a box of condoms? Don't make it seem like my CBJ family can't be notified. We notify them to everything.
Okay, well, CBJ family, I'm trying to figure out, should we, break this dub to go get a box of condoms, Because we ran out a couple of days ago.
And obviously some I ain't gonna tell no names, but somebody trying to slide on a couple fellas, you know what I'm saying?
No.
And I apologize, I started this vlog kinda late, it's kinda dark. So you already know I'm gonna finish it in the morning. You feel me? But we gonna take you, we still taking y'all on my journey and everything. You know what I'm saying? Most deaf. Hello? You know what I'm saying? It's always lit situations. You feel me? All lit situations, you know? You feel me? Yeah. I would ask y'all to rate my drip, you know? You don't even want, damn, can y'all see me? Ugh, could y'all see me? Can y'all see me? Is it clear? Ugh, excuse me. I gotta make sure the camera is clear. Yes, sir. What's the word? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Up out that dirt we go. What's poppin'? Go there and do that.
We need
Type thing.
I
Let's
know you
go.
reach out of that game. You gotta know.
Yeah. Type stuff. So I feel like if y'all was paying attention, y'all heard what he said earlier. That move he was trying to make. I guess we about to go make that move. Tell me the lights ain't, you don't see them lights? Oh, you can't even see you, cuz. That's foul. Still can't see y'all black asses. Come on.
That's crazy. Israeli is racist.
Right.
They ain't putting no real lights out here for no real niggas.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Go with it.
They said your boy is a YouTuber. And I still gotta be on the lookout because my city is wicked, bro. My city's so wicked, cuz. Like, I'm doing this video might not even get published. You feel what I'm saying? That's how wicked my city is. That's how backdoor my city is. You know? And it's crazy that the city is so backdoor like that. Now you can see it. You know what I'm saying? Check out the drip.
It's crazy because in this city, your closest homeboy could be your worst nigga.
Trying to tell you. Ain't nobody say it better than him. He said in this city, your homeboy can be your closest enemy, your worstest enemy. And that's just facts, you know? Like I said, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, CBJ for life. Go ahead and press that notification, press that thumb bell. You feel me? Subscribe right now. Stop what you're doing and press the subscribe button right here, right now. You know it's gonna be lit content from here on out. Lit situations. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all walking with me. And you know what I'm saying? For the ones that didn't skip this video and that watched it all the way through, I appreciate you. You, and you. You know what I'm saying? Walk around, get all my minutes. You feel me? Yes, sir. What's up with it?
How much is it?
Yeah, I got a little YouTube channel and shit like that.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Okay. What's up?
Man. Hell yeah. Gang, 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 gang.
You alright, boy?
Good.
Get out there
We gonna get back to y'all in a minute.